create a ternary one, we just start with the binary bit at the top. So we've got a student studies a subject, and then is studied by. Okay, we then go to the object, make sure we fill this out. So the student in our database is going to be the stud code, the subject will be subject code. Remember, that is going to be your field name or your column names in your database. Okay, we then do constraints. Remember to hit rephrase once. So each student does how many subjects? One or more. Each subject has how many students? One or more. So it's a many-to-many relationship, and we accept that. Now that we've got it created, we have to go and do a bit of freehand stuff. So I want to put the result here. So a student in a subject gets a certain result. So I can go and put my result thing down here. So result is the field name, and we'll use the same thing there. Okay, I need to put a roll box out here. Okay, I don't like how that one is, so we right click and just flip it around. I'll fix that up in a sec, there's no rush. Okay, because these two are a dual primary key, we need to link it together. So I go over to the nesting one, and it basically says these two are the same thing. So the combination of the student code and the subject are unique. So you can't have a kid getting two results in the same subject. Okay, we need to join it up, so we go over here. Just go from the circle into the box, let it go. From the circle into the box. That thing's now attached and will stay like that. So we probably have to jump in and do the roll here. So edit the facts. We've got most of them done, so student achieved and was achieved by, something like that. Okay, we don't have any constraint on this one. If you're remembering a little while ago, it's always the top, the line always sits on that top one. So we can probably jump here and actually do it, and it will do that for us, and that'll be one or more. So it's going to be mandatory. So the red dots mean, they don't have to be red, it's just red in this software, but the red dot means it's compulsory. So a student in a subject must have a result, and if we're recording a result, we must have a student and a subject. So we're not just going to have LA sitting out in space with nothing attached to it. Okay, and then there's about it. Once we've got that done, we're pretty well done.
Are you recording this?